Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty Girls Cracks. Beauty Girls Cracks में मैं आप सबको वेलकम करती हूँ. I hope you are all fine and doing well. In this video today I will show you beautiful long layer cutting ideas. In this video today I will show you beautiful haircuts and hairstyles. Haircuts will change your personality and volumes your hair. So my dear friend, let us talk about today's trendy fashion about hairs. Haircuts, hair color, short hairs are today's trend. If you love to follow trend, you will cut your hair, you will color your hair into different style and different size. Like shaggy haircuts, layer haircuts, bob haircuts, pixie haircuts, long layer haircuts, curly haircuts, fine haircuts, layer curvy cuts, short bob haircuts, step cutting and much more haircuts. These kinds of cutting will change your personality, look great, gorgeous and stylish. And my friend, if you are a new subscriber on my YouTube channel, so make sure do subscribe my channel Beauty Girls Cracks and press the bell icon to get the latest and new daily updates. And like my all videos and share it with your friends and family members. And all other social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And also let me know in the comment section what kinds of videos do you want to see on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much you are watching my videos. Once again, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe my channel and like my all videos. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new collection, new ideas and new trendy fashion about hairs. We will be right back with new videos and new trendy haircuts. Thank you once again. Keep supporting me and do subscribe my YouTube channel Beauty Girls Crack. Keep on watching. Till then, take care. Bye bye and Allah Hafiz.